Hi, I'm John Burgess, and this is Ask the Expert. Our expert today is David Williams, Vice President of Communications for Community First Credit Union. David, I think the first question is, what is the difference between Community First and a bank?
Well, you know, there are a lot of big differences, and yet in a lot of ways we're a commodity product. I mean, we have checking accounts, they have checking accounts. We have CDs, they have CDs. We do car loans, home loans, they do those things as well. In fact, you know, there's 8,000 independent banks in this country, 8,000 credit unions, independent credit unions in this country. But the big difference usually is where our focus is. For example, we have what's called a community charter. So that means we can only take deposits from Sonoma and Mendocino counties. We can only make loans to residents in Sonoma and Mendocino counties. So the money stays local.
Yeah, you know, and there are very few banks out there that can make that claim, that the money stays local. And what does that do? It grows the local economy.
Right. I mean, it's all about jobs right now. We have, you know, what's called the Great Recession, the worst recession we've had since the Great Depression. Jobs are paramount. So let's say you deposit $1 at the Sonoma County branch of a national bank. Well, that dollar is going to be loaned out. Now, it might be loaned out to a townhouse in Texas, you know, an oil rig in Kakistan, or a high-rise in Helsinki. There's nothing wrong with that. That's the way capitalism works. But your dollar here is going to be loaned out maybe to the house that's in foreclosure across the street, and someone gets the wherewithal to buy it because of a loan, or your neighbor's car, or maybe an education for a child.
When you talk about your customers at your credit union, customers are members.
Yes.
They have a stake in what's going on.
Right.
And again, that ties into the community aspect.
Well, not only do they have a stake, they are the owners. So we are a financial cooperative. We're owned by members. So think about that for a minute. Who do we work for? The people who own us, who uses us, are owners. Whereas at a bank, and again, that's the way capitalism works, they're shareholders. Most shareholders aren't even customers of that bank. They're in it for the investment play.